Hey everyone, what's going on? It's James with Jupiter Marine, and we are back with the final episode of Jupiter Builds the 43. If you haven't seen our last episode, episode 4, be sure to go check that one out before this one. But for this episode, as you can see, we are this close to being done, but there's still a lot of little things that need to get done before we get this boat on the water. Let's get to it. Episode 5 is where everything comes together. The structure is complete, the systems are installed. Now the Jupiter 43 is powered up, tested, refined, and proven. This is the final stretch before the water. The Garmin displays are installed at the helm, transforming the console into a fully equipped command center. Each unit is mounted, wired, and integrated into the boat's electrical and network systems. Navigation, engine data, sonar, radar, and system monitoring all come to life here. Next, with the openings already refined, the dive doors are installed. Hinges, seals, and hardware are adjusted to ensure smooth operation and a secure seal. Fitment and function are verified before moving forward. Speakers are installed next, tied into the boat's audio system. Wiring is connected, mounts are secured, and sound output is tested to ensure everything performs as expected. At the same time, under-gunnel lighting is powered on and checked, confirming clean installation and even illumination throughout the cockpit. With the electronics already receiving power, the next step is integration. Systems are connected, networks are completed, and components are brought online together. Displays, engine data, sonar, radar, and onboard systems are linked and configured, ensuring everything communicates as one complete system. Each function is tested and verified, confirming the helm is fully operational and ready to use offshore. The 43 is then fueled up and fresh water is filled, preparing the boat for initial startup and systems check. And for the first time, the engines fire. Oil pressure, cooling systems, and engine data are monitored closely as the motors come to life. A complete on-land system check follows. Plumbing, pumps, lighting, electronics, trim tabs, generator, and engine systems are all tested under controlled conditions. Every system is verified before the boat ever touches the water. With the systems confirmed, the final checks are completed. Every detail is reviewed one last time before the boat heads to the water. The Jupiter 43 is now fully assembled and ready for the sea trial. A detailed sea trial checklist is completed, ensuring every system performs as intended. Nothing is assumed, everything is verified. After the sea trial, the boat returns for any final refinements. If adjustments are needed, they are made immediately. The final step is detailing. The hull is polished, the interior cleaned, and every surface brought to showroom condition. From mold to the water, the Jupiter 43 has completed its journey. Built by hand, tested offshore, ready for its next chapter. Starting next Wednesday at the Palm Beach Boat Show, this very Jupiter 43 will be on display at Ramp 8. From the first layer of fiberglass to the final sea trial, now ready for you to step aboard. See it in person, walk through it, experience the build for yourself.